Okay, what is going on? This is the first video that I am recording on this FreeCon R3, I think. Alright, don't look at this code right here. I'm gonna go out and ride, see how it feels. I wonder how the mic sounds. You know what? I'm gonna keep this open for a while, actually. Okay. I could see you guys right on here. Right, where's the camera? There it is. So I'm watching. I'm trying to make the camera the best. Oh, this turns it. Cool. Okay. I think this is the best position right here. Wait, no, it's a little slanted. That right there does it. And a little bit to the side. All right, we're good. Okay. Off to the ride. Let's do it. Where'd I put my keys? First ride with the camera. Hopefully everything goes smooth. Firstly, let's take these off. Okay. Don't fall. Perfect. Put that away. Let's get this puppy started. Oh yeah, she's already warm. I wonder if the mic could pick up that noise. I wonder if the mic actually picks it up. I got my high beams on, of course. That's no high beam. High beam, I need that. I don't know if I should trust this magnet. Let's check in. Oh, it looks good. It looks good. Not too bad. We're 2 minutes in. Almost 3. Which is the lap recording time. Or the loop recording, I should say. I want to wait for it and see if it'll actually loop right now. Let's see. Oh, it just did. Cool, okay. It just looped. Nice. Alright, let's continue the ride. Yeah, I really don't know if I should trust this magnetic thing, but it is what it is. If it falls, it falls. Crazy. Almost forgot my gloves. I'm not going far, so I'm not putting on the entirety of the gear. I got my shoes on, and my gloves, and my helmet. That should be enough for the short trip. I know it's a short trip, but it's still a trip. Let's ride. I hope this camera's catching it. Close the helmet. I don't know if it's the inside mic or the outside mic. I don't know which mic it's recording on. And I don't know how to switch in between the two. But about to find out. Let's ride, baby. Oh my goodness. This feels great. Look at that. Alright. Let's ride, baby. I'm gonna go pay my friend a visit. Show him the camera. He's also a rider. Oh man, I love it! I scream every single time. Oh, I love this bike, man. Oh yeah. tires are still cold, so I can't really be doing too many crazy things. But yeah. Woo! It feels so good. It's a little chilly out, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Oh my god, those burbles and pops. I don't know if the camera picks it up. And if it's an interior mic, probably not. Not going to lie. Woo! Feels so good. So good. Should I go? Yes, I'll go. Alright. We made it. I'll just turn around. I shall make a U-turn. I don't like parking the other way around. It's a cool lights over there. Alright, here we are. Put the bike stand down. Unlock the steering wheel. Oh. Okay. Let's see if he's home. I should have probably called him, but he annoys me all the time, so it's okay. Wow. Look what I got. Got that all on video. I don't know if you can hear me, though. No, I'm saying I don't know if it can hear you or out any I don't know how to switch between the exterior and interior mic. Yeah.
So it's on right now.
I think so. I hope so. Let's find out. Let's find out. I can see it on the phone.
It has 125 gigabytes.
I haven't tried it yet because I'm recording. I don't know if they can record and play music at the same time. Probably can. It probably can. Let's see. Face. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's ride for a bit. And then I go home. Putting on my gloves. It's a little chilly out, but it's not that bad. Oh yeah. Put it back in neutral. What the heck? Alright. Which way do we go? Do I take the long way? Of course you take the long way. Of course. I see you, buddy. I see you. No worries. Gotta warm up them tires. This is an oddly good neighborhood. Like, look at these houses. Left and right. These houses are really nice. Cybertruck right there. Yeah, just like the one road for some odd reason. Just the one road with the nice houses. Super weird. Oh my, look at that one. It's all being built as we speak. Newer homes. What time is it now? Oh, it's only 10:30. Only, I say, when I have a big exam tomorrow, which I've barely studied for, and I'm not that knowledgeable in what's going on, or the subject of the exam. Oh, man. This feels so good. Woo! I gotta get me a better visor. It keeps fogging up. I don't know if all of them do that. I ordered one. Hopefully it doesn't fog up. It says anti-fog, but we'll see what that is about. This is supposed to be anti-fog. What stop sign? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, it's definitely a bit chilly. Notice, it's like, when do I ever look down at the speed? Like, never. Seriously. It's not a good thing. Oh, I love this thing. Even though I'm almost to the point where it's too cold, but it's well worth it, so worth it. Oh, this guy's from Georgia. All the way from Georgia. Riding. I wonder if I play music, if it'll be picked up by the mic. Make sure there's no cars or lights. And you can go. Oh yeah. This is kind of my first vlog, or whatever you want to call it. Vlog style video of me riding on this camera. I just got it literally in the mail today, and I'm trying it out, and that's why I'm riding in this not perfect weather, not too bad, but it's okay, worth it. I'm gonna go home, review the footage, and see how it turns out. I already got my first hellos. This guy next to me is waving. That's pretty cool. I've got to slow down in this area because there's cops everywhere. Ooh, clear. Cool. Stop. Okay. Not too bad. Let's review the footage when I get home. I can't wait. Oh my goodness. The best feeling in the world. Okay, taking this lane. Ooh, that's a Ferrari right there. What's going on? The nice cars are out. It is a Sunday night, Easter. All the nice cars are out, I guess. I think he just screamed at me. I don't know why this bike gets so much attention. It's like crazy. I think it's because it's red. They probably don't even know what kind. It's just red. It's like in your face. I'm not trying to go too far because I need to go home and prepare for my exam tomorrow. Unfortunately. Whew. Best feeling. I don't know how to explain this. How do you explain this feeling to somebody? Yeah, it's fast wind. I don't know. Oh man, this bike revs up all the way to 12,000 RPMs. Like, honestly, more than half throttle is crazy on this thing. Whew. I want to go check out that McLaren I saw. I don't wonder what kind. Probably a 720. That's what it looked like. About to find out. I mean, there's a McLaren parked. I'm gonna go check it out. It's red. It matches the bike. Oh my god, I just passed it. Let's turn around. It's in Sal's Pizza. Oh my. Oh, there's the Ferrari. That's a nice car. Ferrari, Beamers. Oh, there's a GTR. Benz, McLaren. What is going on? What is going on here? I've got to get a closer look. Oh my. Something is happening. You know what? I don't want to bother them. But this is sweet. This is sweet right here. Honestly, I normally wouldn't be doing this, but I got the camera on, and this makes some footage right here. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beauty right there. And there's a Mustang with the 360 camera on it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but he probably making some pulls. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can catch up. Well, we could definitely catch up. Did he go past the light? No, he did not. There's that 360 camera. RIPSRT. That rhymes too. That's hilarious. He's going slow. He's not trying to do anything. I'm gonna get in the second lane. See if he's gonna go to the side. There's a car approaching. Oh no, he's making a turn. all of a sudden it's all warm. I don't feel the cold anymore. I generally don't feel any cold. It's crazy. Oh man, greatest feeling in the world. There's no explaining on how this feeling feels. It's just, you gotta feel it. You've gotta feel it. Oh man, this bike just pulls and pulls and pulls. There is no letting off. Like it, when you think it's done pulling, it's still got 5,000 more RPMs left in the bank. Like nothing. Like it just pulls. It's nuts. Man, let's just cruise. Fun fact, accidents happen more often when you're near home, which is crazy. People will get more comfortable when they get near the house, and that's when they do crazy stuff, and that's when things go down. Yeah, that's when you're letting your guard down. You're like, oh, I know this, let's just cruise through it, or speed through it, instead of cruising through it, I should say. Turn green, come on. I know you want to. Yep, there we go. It's a police station and a fire station right here. So you can't really be speeding through here. Maybe you can, but I'm not. Not today, at least. Here we are. I hope the footage is good at nighttime with this camera. Don't want to wake the neighbors, but yeah, it's not that late. It's like 10:40, so it's not that bad. There's Bay. Okay. Feels good. Alright, check this out. I always have to do this. Turn the bike around. Balance it. Just like that. Because it's ready to go. For tomorrow, hopefully. Don't know if it's good weather. I have to check. Let's turn on the lights. Yeah, that's much better. Okay. Whew. I wonder if I should post this video, or if I should even edit it, or anything like that. Probably not. We'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna jack up the bike on camera. Let's see here. Who's texting me right now? Okay. Oh no, almost missed it. Perfect. Up we go. Yep, she's a princess. Don't have a nickname for it yet. Don't know. Something with red. I'm getting the fairings changed out to red, but it's gonna be candy red. It's gonna be a little bit darker with more sparkles. I'm trying to match it to my truck. Okay, yeah, she's up. Make sure she's not going nowhere. Yeah, she's not going nowhere. Alright, that's it for the first video.